Look at that. It's still hot, but that's the other side. It basically welded itself inside of that bitch. Look, it's welded inside of it. It's rust welded. Well, that's not bad for a hyper tough $20 tool. It took me about 20 minutes. No, not really. Maybe 10. I had to stop because the tool was getting hot. But for a $20 tool, I got it on sale. It's $40, but for a $20 tool, and I got the battery on sale, believe it or not. So the battery was $12 instead of $26. So $12 for the battery, $20 for the tool, $32. Can't beat that. And it came with the blade. The blade. It came with this blade and a wood blade, a metal blade and a wood blade. So I can't complain. Look. Now I just gotta put a bolt through there. I gotta bend this back, put a bolt through it. Good to go. Good job, Hyper Tough. Cut clean through it. Cut clean through that bad boy. Oh yeah. Hyper Tough. Hyper Tough. Hyper Tough. Okay, to be continued.